Hey everyone, friends. Welcome to Baylor channel. Today I'll show you how to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. For this, we need to go to search and type sound. Click on sound settings. Scroll down here and we need more, more sound settings. Here I click and currently my speakers are working. This is my the default device. Now let's go to recording. Here we have an internal AUX jack, yes. Let's enable it. There. Now right click on it, select properties and click on the listen tab. Click listen to this device and select your second output device, whether speakers or headphones, whatever you want to use as a second audio output. For example, I want my monitor, yes. Click apply. Now sound comes from my monitor too. That's it. This was Baylor. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.